This week in Grace's Girls Club, I'm welcoming in Ruchi Singhal, Senior Program Manager at TVA, into the club. Now, specifically, Ruchi works on the Energy Right team at TVA, and she spoke to me about how her degree in engineering really opened up this vocational door.
I do think there are ways to being less wasteful and more efficient and still being comfortable. And I think the more we can figure that out, the more we'll see really significant reduction in how much power we waste. I'm an engineer by nature, by degree. I went to Georgia Tech and NC State and got my chemical engineering degrees, bachelor's and master's. As we're looking at business and industry, we're learning about what their processes are, figuring out what technologies are old and maybe not very efficient, and offering up strategies and new technologies that are definitely more efficient.
If I was a young girl or a young student and I thought, this sounds like something I could do too, what path would you tell me to take educationally?
Well, definitely start in high school, start taking some of those science and math, and start taking some of the advanced and AP level science and math classes. It really gets you ready and prepared for the college level, which is not different from high school. It's just a lot faster. I recommend women and girls to look into engineering. I feel like engineering opens a lot of doorways to a lot of careers. I knew I wanted to do something to help the environment, but I didn't know which engineering was the best fit. And my family gave me the advice that go with chemical engineering, you'll have a lot of options. And they were right. I worked in the food industry once, I worked in textiles, and eventually I got my landing in environmental and air quality work.
Ruchi, we are so glad that you are now a part of Grace's Girls Club, and thank you for sharing your expertise. To see Ruchi's full web-exclusive interview or to subscribe to Grace's Girls Club, head over to our website, waytv.com/ggc. In studio with coverage you can count on, morning meteorologist Grace Anello, Way 31 News.